Welcome to my project! After living in my car for 3 years, I bought my parents' old fifth wheel. It's 32 years old. It is in need of some major and many minor repairs. So this is my project now, and welcome to the tour. Excuse the mess. I'm still cleaning out cupboards, bringing in my stuff. Nothing is put away or unpacked yet. It's kind of a disaster, so bear with me. This is the kitchen. Enjoy the mess. Dining area. There's a living room area, and then the bedroom back here. Behind this door, there's like the sink, and then that's the bathroom area. So let's talk about the big issues. The very biggest one, water damage. Fear not, I have already treated the mold, and now I just need to remove stuff. So that's exciting and very fun. But these, you can see these fake support beams. They're really just like particle board. You can see on this one over here that they got wet, they swell up, and they just kind of like disintegrate. So those have to come down. They don't really do anything. They're more just like decorative. There's seams, so if you can't tell by the water stains, and that makes it look so much worse than it actually is. It's not good by any means, but that looks so much darker than it is. There is carpet ceiling. This is carpet, ceiling carpet. And so these beams kind of cover the seams of where the carpet is. You can kind of see it here. So you can see here, there's like just a gap where the two pieces of carpet are. So the ceiling water damage is the biggest issue. I have already resealed the roof just to get that out of the way, and I'll have more info about that later. But I did already reseal that. I did that immediately because it's winter time and we're going to start getting some weather. But we have some water damage to the cupboards down here. You can see a little bit there. Again, that like particle board material swells up and it kind of gets messed up, so that'll have to be fixed. The slide for the dining area though is absolute perfection, so at least there's that. In some of these cupboards down here, the cupboards themselves are nasty. I've cleaned out stuff. This is my stuff that I have in there so far, but I've cleaned out the old canned goods that were in there. I'm still cleaning out silverware and dishes and stuff, but that cupboard is taped shut because it's separated and it's just like dangling there. Very exciting. So moving into the living area, again, the slide out here, immaculate, lovely. Living room area, this is the only light that works. None of the things that are connected to DC power work. So any of these lights, which is pretty much all of the lights in here, don't work. There's two lights by the bed. I'll show that area in a minute that also don't work. And I can't figure out why yet. There might be a fuse or something. I have power to the batteries, and I'm connected to shore power. I am connected to shore power, and obviously I have power. The microwave works, things like that, but none of those lights work. The fridge currently doesn't work. The fridge only works on gas, and that's how it was when my parents used it. But I can't even ignite the pilot light. I can't get that going because it needs DC power to like start up initially. So I currently don't have a fridge. The stove does work. I do have propane to there. The DC did work to take the slides out. Like it's part of the battery circuit. I don't know. And I'm kind of making this up as I go because electric is not really something I understand. Lovely closet. I won't show you. It's full of crap. And then in here is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. You can see there was a little water damage up there. Luckily that one is not bad, but again, the roof has been sealed. I am going to remove these fabric valances, paint. I'm going to put up a wallpaper on that back one, but the bedroom luckily is not bad. Not a whole lot in here to do as far as damage wise. Those lights next to the bed do not work, but the outlets next to the bed do. So again, it's that weird power thing. I'm just not sure yet. Then there are little things like this. This drawer will not sit flush because the connection for like the, what is it called? The little track that it rolls on needs to be screwed in. So not a big deal, I just need to get to it. Sick NASCAR rug that came with the trailer. Thanks, Mom and Dad. You can see Sheila's mess. She pulled out all of her toys. Bedding everywhere. Christmas presents for the nibblings I haven't wrapped all yet. But yeah, this is the trailer. It's very exciting. I'm stoked to have the space, but a lot of work to be done. Especially all this, so you can see that light has like rusted out. Not my favorite, but we'll make it work. Another big issue is the flooring. The carpet is nasty. It's 32 years old. It does have this beautiful wood floor in the kitchen area, but it is also water damaged, so I'll need to learn how to fix that. Hi, Sheila. So you can see Sheila, get out of the way. The wood along the carpet edge is water damaged, but look at this floor, isn't that beautiful? And then the carpet itself, again, is old and nasty. There's like a bleach spot here. Hi, Sheila. Under Sheila, there's stains in the carpet just from like 32 years of people using it. And you can see the water damage down there on the bottom. Awesome. So this is my current project. I have lived in RVs before, a fifth wheel and a motorhome, as well as living in my car for 3 years. So like the living in it part is nothing for me, but fixing all this myself I don't know what I'm doing.